Hey everyone, it's Rob, and we're here at the Aero Precision booth, and I'm here with Kirk, who's going to talk to us about two of the newest things from Aero Precision, their bolt gun and their new suppressor.
So new for 2022, we're going to be dropping our Aero short action, which is just a short rifle action, and then the chassis that kind of accompanies it. These will both be sold separately. So starting with the action here, it's a Remington 700 short action footprint, so it'll fit in any of the stocks that are compatible with that. It also accepts Remington 700 triggers. Going over to the barrel, these are Savage small shank thread patterns. So what that allows you to do is use a wide variety of prefits currently on the market, kind of build it how you want it, and these are very easy to install in the world of bolt guns. The nitty-gritty on the action, so it's a 3-lug design. Interchangeable bolt head, so it'll handle everything up from 6mm up to short magnums. Full integrated top rail there with a 20 MOA cant to give you a little bit more adjustments out of your optic. And then with the 3-lug design, it's got a 60-degree bolt throw. Coming on down to the chassis here, the chassis accepts AICS and AIAW magazines. The mag catch here is adjustable to tune it for different manufacturers of magazines because the specs aren't always consistent between those. The stock here has adjustable cheek comb and length of pull adjustments. The length of pull is done via a cam lock here and a button. And both of these adjustments are spring loaded, so you get it up, set up, and you push it and it'll extend it out to where it needs to be. This is a lot easier than fiddling with knobs coming off the gun while you're trying to get the stock fitted to yourself. And then this cam lock will lock down. That prevents any movement here under recoil. Right now we have a fixed stock adapter on here. We're hoping to have a folding stock adapter for it by launch. That'll be reversible. Going back up to the center section here, we have AR-15 style pistol grips will fit on here. As long as they don't have the tang, they should work fine, and we have our own right there. Forend on this, we have full M-lock sides and on the bottom, as well as an Arca Swiss rail running down the bottom. And then on the front here, we have a couple optional accessories you can do. We have a spigot here. This allows you to mount a bipod and not use up any of this Arca Swiss space if you're going to need that, as well as get that bipod as far forward as it can be. And then lastly, we have an optional night vision bridge mount that'll fit right in here, so it'll allow for clip-on night vision devices. Price point will be, so on the chassis, we're looking at sub 1,000. Same thing for the action, sub 1,000. We still have a few details to work out before we can give a hard number, but that's where we're at on it right now. Moving up to the suppressor here, this is our debut suppressor. It's the Lahar 30. It is a fully welded 30 caliber suppressor, rated up to 300 Win Mag, no minimum barrel length requirements, and fully automatic rated. It is available with the optional QD you see here. It's called our Mantle Quick Disconnect System. That's optional though. You can run this with direct thread, and the QD threads on the can are actually 1 3/8 by 24, so they're compatible with a number of existing QD adapters on the market. Construction on this is going to be hybrid, so a combination of Inconel and stainless steel. This allows us to get the high heat resistance properties of the Inconel where it's needed in the can, but keep that overall weight down. That's where the stainless steel comes into play. This is going to be available in 3 length configurations. We have the Lahar 30 that you see here. We'll have the Lahar 30L, which is going to be a smidge longer, and then we're going to have the Lahar 30K, which is a K can. It'll be 4 baffles, a little bit shorter. MSRP on these, we're projecting sub $900. So we're a Pacific Northwest-based company. A lot of volcanic stuff local to us there in the Puget Sound. So Lahar was just kind of an homage to that. And then the Mantle QD system, same thing, kind of a geographic kind of call out. So it sounds cool. It's not like an acronym or anything. It just sounds good and kind of ties us into our roots.